सभी विद्वान जब भी मंदिर में एंटर करें, किसी घर में एंटर करें, किसी विद्वान का, किसी संत का या किसी शुभ कार्य का प्रारंभ करें, सबसे पहले एक मंत्र बोला जाता है। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मंत्र। आई स्टार्ट विद दैट मंत्र। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः, भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवा ग्वं सस्वरूभिर्व्यशे महिदेव हितं यदायुः। Om Swasti na Indro, and they go on and on and on. But first mantra is a beautiful mantra. Why this mantra? I was thinking when she was talking, you watch your thought. And here is the mantra, they start with this mantra. Om Bhadram Karane Shunuyam Deva. क्योंकि जो भी आप सुनते हैं ना, whatever you think, whatever you see, whatever you hear, whatever you listen, all that shape your thought. And not only shape your thought, shapes you. जो भी हमारे विचार होते हैं वही हम बन जाते हैं। इसलिए बहुत अच्छी बात है कि वॉच योर थॉट एंड सी द फ्यूचर। क्या फ्यूचर आपके लिए लेकर आएगा, क्योंकि मेरे विचार ही मुझे मेरा निर्माण करते हैं। इसलिए हमारे यहाँ और जो विचारों का स्टोर हाउस है हमारा मन, हमारा चित्त, जहां सब जाकर स्टोर होता है। ऋषियों ने कहा केवल विचार को ही नहीं, बल्कि विचारों का जो जनक है, विचारों का जो स्टोर हाउस है, where all that accumulates, that storehouse, that warehouse must be taken care of. इसलिए उन्होंने कहा जितम जगत केन मनोहियेन। क्यों? क्योंकि मन एव मनुष्याणाम कारणम बंध मोक्षयो। हमारा मन ही है जो हमारे बंधन और मोक्ष का कारण है। बंधन क्या है और मोक्ष क्या है? मोक्ष कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि when you die, the somewhere, some people talk about the swarga, the heaven, then we will go to heaven. Some talk about the hell, that some will go to hell, and some talk about the moksha. The beyond hell and heaven, there is a place called moksha. There is a state called moksha. Some think there is a place called moksha, where you go, where you reach, and you are there, attained moksha. But when I was little, I was explained by our founder, Swami Shukdevanand Ji Maharaj. He said, जीवन मुक्ति सोई मुक्ति मरे न मुक्ति होए। बोले मरने के बाद मुक्ति? आपने मरी जाइए त्यारे कोई आपने मुक्ति आपे? आ मुक्ति तो अपने काम नहीं थी नहीं। कोने खबर से शू थवानु छे? किसको पता क्या होने वाला? Who knows? What is there? We believe in our scriptures is great. We believe in our saints and the seers. They all talk about that mukti, and that's why we dream for that mukti. लेकिन उन्होंने कहा नहीं, देखो होगी मुक्ति, है मुक्ति, लेकिन जीवन मुक्ति होगी, मुक्ति है भी मुक्ति, लेकिन जीवन मुक्ति जो है वो सबसे बड़ी मुक्ति है। बोले जीवन मुक्ति वो कौन सी मुक्ति है जो जीते जी मुझे मिल जाए? वो कौन सी मुक्ति है? When I am here, when I am alive, being here, I can attain moksha, I can attain that mukti. बोले कौन सी वो मुक्ति है? बोले वो मुक्ति किसी और से नहीं है, मन ही मेरा बंधन का कारण बनता है, मन ही मेरा मोक्ष का कारण बनता है. The same मन becomes the bondage, becomes the shackles around you and binds you. And the same mind becomes the moksha, means where all the shackles are broken and you'll be free. A prisoner, being in the prison, being in that cell, being in the prison, is also a prisoner. Is there in the jail. He is in the jail. Prisoner being in those four walls, whether it's in the cell or whether he is roaming in those walls, is a prisoner. And the jailer also is in those four walls, is roaming there. Prisoner also is there, jailer also is there, both are in the jail. But the difference is, the prisoner is not free, is shackled. It's not free, is in the jail but not free. And here the jailer also is in the jail, taking care of the jail. Sitting under those four walls, he's there. Four walls around the jailer and the prisoner are the same. But the difference is, prisoner is not free and jailer is free, can go out with his free will, but not the prisoner. Same thing happens to us also. Being in this world, which we call it jail, being here in this world, you also have a choice to live like a prisoner, be in the jail, or you live like a jailer, be living even in the jail but be free. ये freedom कैसे? कौन सी वो जेल है जिससे वो प्रिजनर जेल में रहकर फ्री नहीं है, जिसमें जेलर उस जेल में रहकर फ्री है? कौन सी वो जेल है? वो जेल कोई दूसरी नहीं है, मेरे ही मन की जेल है, मेरे ही मन की जेल है. और सच बात तो यह है, मजे की बात तो यह है, मैंने जो बचपन से सीखा कि परमात्मा ने इतनी बड़ी वीटो पावर दी है हमको, has given us amazing veto power to us, amazing veto power to us to use that veto power and be free. Who will draw the line to be free? Who gets stuck? Because we are the problem and we are the solution. कोई और दूसरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट कर सकता. We maybe blame others. Maybe all this sukh and dukh are given by somebody else. We maybe claim this all is earned by me. And when we lose, we blame others. Because of others, we have lost this. To me, sukhasya dukkhasya na kopi data paro dadati tiku buddhi resha. एस्ट्रोलॉजी का तो ये सबसे बड़ा नियम है. क्यों पंडित जी? सुखस्य दुखस्य न कोपि दाता परो ददाति इति कुबुद्धि रेषा. सुखस्य दुखस्य न कोपि दाता. हम सोचते हैं, આપણે વિચાર કરીએ કે જ્યારે સુખ આવે એ આપણે ભેગું કર્યું છે અને કોઈ દુઃખ આવે તો બીજા કોઈને આપ્યું છે, બીજાને આપણે બ્લેમ કરીએ. बोले नहीं, किसी को ब्लेम करने की जरूरत है. Neither you blame someone or now you claim anything. बोले the way you want to live in this earth is up to you, is in your hands. God has given you that veto power कि सुखस्य दुखस्य न कोपि दाता, कि सुख और दुख को कोई और देने वाला नहीं है. It's not somebody somewhere sitting in cloud 9 and controlling your life with 9 remote. Hey, come on, here is a sukh, here is a dukh. No, you are the one who has that veto.